Master your research. Perfect your note-taking for English discussions. Hello, English learners. Welcome to a new lesson. Today, we're going to learn about a crucial skill that's fundamental to not just English learning, but also everyday life: research techniques. More specifically, we'll focus on organizing and taking notes. This will be particularly helpful when preparing for debates or discussions in English. Let's dive in. Being able to take good notes is a skill that can greatly improve your learning experience. It's like having a personal assistant that helps you keep track of the most important points from your research. Remember, the goal is to be able to use these notes to craft compelling arguments during discussions and debates, and to respond effectively to others' points. There are various ways you can take notes, and it's essential to find a style that suits you best. Some popular methods include the Cornell method. This divides your note page into 3 sections. You jot down notes during your research in the large right-hand column, key points or questions in the narrow left-hand column, and a summary at the bottom. Mind mapping. This is a visual method where you start with a central idea and then branch out into subtopics, which can further branch into points or evidence. The outline method. Here, you structure your notes in a hierarchical format, using numbers, letters, and indentations. Organization is key. If your notes are scattered and disorganized, you'll have a tough time referencing them later. Try these techniques for better organization. Color coding. Assign different colors for different types of information: main ideas, evidence, counter-arguments, etc. Headers and subheaders. Use clear headers and subheaders to categorize your information. Date and source. Always note the date of your research and source of the information for easy reference in the future. Keep it concise. You don't need to write full sentences. Use keywords, phrases, and abbreviations. Use your own words. Paraphrasing helps ensure you understand the material. Review and revise. Review your notes soon after you take them and revise them if needed. This aids in retention and comprehension. And that's it. We've covered why note-taking is important, different styles of note-taking, how to organize your notes, and tips for effective note-taking. Remember, good note-taking is a skill that develops with practice. So, keep researching, keep taking notes, and most importantly, keep learning. See you in our next video where we will further explore the world of English learning. Happy studying!